Are you looking for a single access point for all of your high-performance computing needs? Do you prefer a graphical user interface to a command line interface? Are you looking to take advantage of high-performance computing without in-depth knowledge of Linux or job scheduling? Hi, my name is Trevor Hall, and I am a member of the University of Colorado's Research Computing User Support Team. In this video, I will introduce Open OnDemand and its many features, as well as to demonstrate how to use Open OnDemand to best suit your research needs. Follow along as we go through the process of using Open OnDemand to support your research with CU Research Computing. Open OnDemand is an integrated, browser-based access point for all of the high-performance computing resources at CU Research Computing. Open OnDemand provides a graphical interface to view, edit, download, and upload files, manage and create job templates for CU Research Computing's clusters, and access CU Research Computing interactive applications such as JupyterLab, MATLAB, or the core desktop, all via a web browser. This means that most users don't need Linux or job scheduling knowledge to get started computing on research computing. If you are an affiliate of the University of Colorado Boulder, you can access Open OnDemand at ondemand.rc.colorado.edu. Once there, log in with your identity key and password and authenticate with Duo to gain access. If you are an affiliate of Colorado State University, CU Anschutz, or another RMAC institution, you can access Open OnDemand at ondemand-rmac.rc.colorado.edu. Once there, select the appropriate identity provider, log in with your credentials, and authenticate with Duo to access Open OnDemand. When you see the Open OnDemand homepage, you can navigate to the tool that is right for you. The Files tab allows you to view, edit, upload, download, or transfer files stored in your CURC file system. The Jobs tab allows you to view your currently running jobs or even compose new jobs to be submitted to the cluster. The Clusters tab allows you to open a browser window containing a terminal which you can use to interact with our systems, exactly like you'd see through SSH. The Interactive Apps tab allows you to use any of the interactive apps offered through OnDemand, including Jupyter Notebook and a core desktop. One of the most common uses of Open OnDemand is for spawning a Jupyter Notebook server. First, navigate to the Interactive Apps tab and select Jupyter Notebook. Here, you'll want to specify the specifics of your job. Any user can use the Alpine cluster, though you may want to specify Blanca if you or your research group has purchased Blanca hardware. Next, specify your allocation account. Users, by default, will be able to use the general allocation. For CU Boulder users, this will be UCB General. Now, select your preferred partition, which, unless required otherwise, should be a hub. Next, select the number of hours you'll need for your session, the number of cores, up to 8, and the normal QoS, which stands for quality of service. Now, select Launch and wait for your notebook to spawn. Now, you'll be able to run your Jupyter Notebook workflows on CURC resources. Another common use of Open OnDemand is to spawn a core desktop, a graphical user interface used to interact with CURC compute nodes. To start a core desktop, navigate to Interactive Apps and select Core Desktop. Here, you'll just need to specify your allocations account, the number of hours needed for your session, and the number of cores, up to 32. Now, select Launch and wait for your session to spawn. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial for using Open OnDemand. For a tutorial on navigating the CURC file system, please click here. For a tutorial on submitting basic jobs, please click here. For more information, please visit our website, documentation, or contact us at rc-help@colorado.edu.